In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best PC cases on the market. We've carefully researched and reviewed countless user experiences to bring you this list. For more details or the most recent prices on any of the cases we discuss, be sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our latest reviews and recommendations. Let's get started. Number 5. METALFISH S3 Mini-ITX Gaming Case. The METALFISH S3 is a sleek and compact Mini-ITX gaming case, great for setups in tight spaces. It accommodates both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, giving you flexible storage options. The clear side panel makes it easy to see inside, while the built-in fan boosts the cooling to keep your system running smoothly. Dust filters at the top and bottom help your setup stay clean and dust-free longer. With its stylish design and effective airflow, this case is ideal for gamers who need a powerful, yet space-efficient setup. Number 4. JBO P60 Compact Computer Case. The JBO P60 is a versatile computer case ideal for gaming and workstation setups. It supports both ATX and SFX power supplies, offering flexibility for different builds. With room for 120mm fans, it ensures efficient cooling. The tempered glass side panel enhances the aesthetic appeal while allowing a clear view of your components. Designed for optimal airflow and storage expansion, this compact case balances performance and style, making it a great choice for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. A A09ITX Chassis for HTPC Gaming. The A09ITX chassis is a space-efficient PC case designed for HTPC and gaming setups. Supporting PCIe 2.5-inch SSD drives, it offers fast data access for enhanced performance. The flexible PSU mounting allows customization for various configurations. Its ITX and Mini-ITX form factor ensures compactness while providing room for essential components. With one expansion slot for future upgrades, this chassis is ideal for users looking for a balance of minimalism and functionality in their compact builds. Number 2. ZZAW Mini-ITX All-Aluminum Case. The ZZAW is a sleek Mini-ITX computer case crafted with an all-aluminum body for durability and a premium look. Designed for compact gaming and office setups, it supports graphics cards up to 260mm in length. The side panel window allows easy viewing of components, while compatibility with ATX, SXL, and SFX power supplies adds flexibility. With a minimalist yet functional design, this case is ideal for users who prioritize aesthetics, efficiency, and space-saving builds. Number 1. JBO Z20 Compact MATX Case. The JBO Z20 is a high-quality MATX case designed for compact gaming setups. It supports ATX power supplies up to 180mm and long video cards up to 363mm, providing ample room for high-performance builds. The tempered glass side panel adds a stylish touch while showcasing your components. A detachable carrying case makes it easy to transport, making it perfect for gamers on the go. This case is an excellent combination of durability, aesthetics, and functionality for gaming enthusiasts.